In a world where the smallest creatures often went unnoticed, there lived a humble mouse named Mimi. Contrary to her size, Mimi was known for her determination and resilience. One day, a great storm swept across the land, causing a massive flood. All the animals sought refuge on high ground, leaving Mimi stranded and alone in her flooded home. With no one to help, Mimi decided to swim through the currents to find safety. The journey was long and arduous, but Mimi's spirit remained undeterred. As she swam, Mimi encountered obstacles that would have stopped a lesser creature. Raging currents, falling debris, and treacherous undercurrents tested her limits, but she pushed on. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Mimi reached a tree stump floating in the floodwaters. Clinging to it, she caught her breath and marveled at her achievement. The storm eventually subsided, and the waters receded. Mimi climbed the tree stump and found herself on dry land, safe and sound. Word of Mimi's courageous journey spread throughout the animal kingdom. From that day forward, the animals began to see that size did not define strength, but rather it was the spirit within that truly mattered. From then on, Mimi, the tiny mouse, was revered as a hero, a symbol of resilience, and a reminder that even the smallest creatures could achieve the extraordinary when they believed in themselves.